Okay. The parts that are needed are what?
A spool, a rubber band, a piece of soap, a stick to turn the rubber band, and a little stick at the end where it's grooved out so that when you turn it, the rubber band doesn't turn. It's got to be solid. Okay, those are the parts. Okay, so then talk about the assembly. So you put a groove on the end where the little stick's going to be, and you thread the spool with elastic,
A rubber band.
the rubber band. You thread it, and you put it through the soap and thread the stick through it. So it's very simple.
So, do you have to have a certain length rubber band? How do you know you have the right length rubber band?
Okay, that is important. It's like a standard rubber band. Let's say before it's stretched, it would be kind of like that. And it can't be too thick because it has to go through this hole. So you don't want to have, a big thick one, because otherwise it's not going to go through. But we did on the other one, we had a thicker one than this one. And if you do, if you can get it through and it works fine, it has more power and it'll go further. So let me see if I did it on the other one. I think I did. Yeah, this is a good example. So you can see right here, the rubber band is thicker than this one. It's 3 times thicker. And if you wind them up, you'll see how much more power it has. So look at that. So it goes like crazy when you wind it up. So my question is, how are these going to be used? Are they going to be used as toys, or what's the purpose of doing this?
Oh, are you waiting for me to answer?
Yeah.
Today, just learning to make a toy that was made many years ago, and possibly taking it and teaching kids how to do it, and how to have simple fun with
Right.
races and
Right.
and making something with their own hands.
Right. Creating something that's very simple, no cost, and that's very creative and can be competitive, in the right sense, So, but you can see how much thicker that is. And on this one, because the rubber band was not, it wasn't like this. It was probably more like this. I didn't put a groove in there. But ideally, you'd want to have a groove there to make it stationary. And, you can see how thick that is. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And that's to give it lubrication so that it's going to,
Turn
turn properly. Actually, I mean, it's kind of cute. And I prefer this one because it goes faster. Well, that goes okay too, but goes faster. So, I don't know, it's very simple. So,
Okay.